What are you doing?
Nothing. What are you doing?
Ah, so you got cameras.
Yes.
What are you intending to do?
Possibly barricading the entrance.
Good, good.
Quite possibly. As you're not very well.
Must be slightly mental now.
Good luck with that.
You know, you think after I remember I used to write my essays for uni, I'd have like 8 sheets of A4 and I'd be like, yes! And I'd type it up and I'd go, 1,000 words? Is that all I've got? You'd go, that's the computer, you must be wrong. But now I've written more than that.
What are you writing on?
Cool. But I've got a really nice flow started.
Yeah.
Just a brief sort of bit on the history of it. And I'll show you. Take that out. Put this in online. So I just sort of spent 2 days researching it. And it doesn't make any sense with what I'm just dying at all, so I'm just going to be like, okay, it's going to be 2 essays by this.
I think when she gets to the end, she goes, pulls it apart, and is like, okay.
She does do that. I just want to put tea.
Tattoo. Like half dressing, tattoo.
Yeah. I might actually do a word count of how many times I've used the word tattoo. Like 2,000 words. Oh shit, I'm going to write something more.
Yeah, that's tattoo into, you know.
You can let party drive through. That'd be so cool.
Huh? I don't know.